Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another print-on-demand video. Today we're going to talk about some of the new products that Printful has. I know they've been working a lot on their interface and they've been trying to change some things around. I'm excited to just check out some of the new features or products that they have coming. Some have probably already been there for a while. This video may be long overdue, but I just want to show you guys where you can find the new products at and possibly think about testing out one of the new items. So here's Printful. I'm not signed in. This is the home page, and I'm going to go ahead and click over here to the Printful section, and it has in bold new products. We're going to go ahead and click the new products and let's go through the list to see what they have. We have the all over print t-shirt dress. They have circle embroidered patches, a visco hemp eco-friendly t-shirt. You have mouse pads, custom printed recycled polyester fabric. So I'm just assuming this is like a piece of fabric. Maybe if you want to order fabric to use for something. They have an eco-friendly fitted hoodie for women. A unisex fashion hoodie. It looks like it's nice and comfy. They have all over print scrunchies. We know that scrunchies is all the rage. They have a embroidered premium Sherpa blanket. Looks pretty thick, 50 by 60. Looks like the size, it may be more. They have a premium men's tank top. Looks like it may be a new type of spiral notebook. All over print flags. We have jigsaw puzzles, premium recycled bomber, which is also eco-friendly. Unisex pigment dyed sweatpants. Pigment dyed hoodie, all over print headband. This Sherpa denim jacket has been here for a while, but if you have not seen it, again, it's still titled with the new. They have this faux leather bomber jacket, premium US dad hats, recycled tracksuit jackets, windbreakers, and they also have the recycled tracksuit trousers. That is very interesting. I don't think I've seen that, but that could definitely be something to take your brand to another level. Woman's basic organic tee, fitted v-neck, and then we have a page 2. So we're going to see what else is available. They have a champion crop top, organic cotton apron, fashion long sleeve. They have all over print swim trunks, multi-cam dad hat, so a few different colors. Men's fitted t-shirt from Next Level, and the stainless steel water bottle. Some of these items have been here a little bit longer than others, but that is just a good idea of what's new, the direction that they're going into. They're looking to provide more fashionable products that anyone can use print on demand for, and at the same time trying to keep it open to different countries. So of course, my country is the USA, so right now it's showing preference for that country. If I was in a different country, there may be a few different new items available, but for right now, we just checked out the new products from Printful. I hope you're enjoying my content, and I love you more than I love this video. Peace.